Ngit-ngit man. Tagaltin. Ang dami kong hugasin. See? So, ito lang po yung ano namin, maliit na lababo at kusina. Munting bahay. Nag-ano lang kasi kami dito guys, na rent lang ba? Kaya ano, kasya lang. Mura lang naman yung ano namin dito, yung rental, yung tubig, at saka sa kuryente, amin na. So, dito ako palagi. To, kontento na ako sa bahay pag ganito, basta may bahay sana. Kaso wala pa eh. So, yan na yung main door, bali. Main door, tapos kusina na. Kusina. Tapos dito, kwarto. Dala, kainan. Ito yung baby namin, baby kulit. Hi, Mix! Hi, Mix! Hi, Mix! Oh, ganyan pag pinapansin siya, yung buntot niya. I know mostly my subscribers are a cat lovers, so that cat lover, but I hate cats which is very naughty, like that. One time there's a stray cat, and then he poop near in our side, so that's why I feel so I'm like a tiger, roar. So I love cats, but I hate cats which is very what do you call that, or what do we call that sa Tagalog? Yung makulit, hindi makulit, yung badlungon ba, ano ba yan sa Bisaya, badlungon. Mix, hindi naman namamansin. Hi, Mix! Hi, Mix! Tugtik man. Hi. She's my, what's that? Always ba here with me. If Dudong is here, the one who will play. But if me alone and Mika, so sometimes play. Twink, twink, twink. Hi, Mix. O, di man mamansin, oh. Hi, Mix. Mix. Giruan ni, oy. Dili man ni mamansin, oy. Hi, Mix. Mix. Uy. Ting, ting. Lo. Hello. Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. She's smart na. Ting, ting, ting. If I touch her butt. Ting, 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 ting. Ah. Ting, 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 ting.